Today we will learn that how we can create a Dropbox API for our app. So what you need to search is first Dropbox Developer Console. Now you can see that you will get the first link for the Dropbox app console. Now you need to click on this to get to the developer section. Here, as you can see that I am already logged in into my Dropbox account. If you want to log into your Dropbox account, then you need to first create an account, then log in into your Dropbox account, then you will be redirected to this page. As you can see that I have already created two projects here. Now, if you want to create a new application or a new project, you have to click on Create App for this. As after this, you will ask that you have to choose an API, that which type of API you want to choose. Here we have listed three APIs. Right now we will use the Scooped Access API for, for our app. Now when we will select the Scooped API, another option is Open. Here you have to choose that what type of access you need. Do you need a app folder or the full box access? Right now we will select it the app folder access. Now in the third thing, you have to name your application. Right now we will using as a testing underscore underscore one. This will be our app name. You have to click on create to create another app. Now what we have to do is we have to click on permission to give all the permission. Mainly we have to click onto the files content read, files content write, and files metadata write. These three are the main permission we have to provide. Now after enabling this, we have to go to the settings section for getting all the things. Like here you can get the app key, and here you will get the app secret key. Now what we have to do is next, if you need any redirect URLs, you need to write here for the redirect URLs, and you have to click on add to add those things or that particular URL. You can also add multiple redirect URLs here. After doing this, you need to submit your changes to save all the settings. You can see that permission changed successfully. And now again you have to go to the section to check all the API app key and app secret key. Thank you.